YouTube just changed something big with monetization. Like when I saw it, I was shocked. And I believe that a lot of small YouTubers who are not yet monetized are not even aware about this particular thing. So the thing is, if you don't understand these updates, you might get to this particular stage and you'll be feeling left out and confused. Now, imagine hitting your 3,000 public watch hours and you are still struggling to get monetized, or you finally hit your 3,000 public watch hours and you realize that YouTube just knocked you out. And this is exactly what is happening to a lot of small creators out there right now, including me myself on my second channel. So make sure you pay attention to what I'm about to share with you right now, and make sure you try your best to update others. Okay, now once you pass this 2,000 subs or maybe 1,000 subscribers and you manage to hit your 3,000 watch hours, YouTube might send you this particular message that says start your earning journey. Yes, this is how it used to be. Now once you see that, it definitely sounds that your monetization is ready. Like this is exactly what I thought that I was going to be doing on my lifestyle channel, because about just this morning I was able to hit my 3,000 public watch hours on my lifestyle. So in my head, in my mind, I wanted to go ahead to apply, that is to get the membership, super stickers and super thank you. Yeah, because that is the basic monetization for 3,000 public watch hours, only for me to discover that the whole thing and the whole system has changed. Because unlike this main channel you all are watching me from, last year I even shared the video. I told you guys that I got monetized with just 3,000 public watch hour. Then the following week I was able to hit the 4,000 and I became monetized fully. But this time around is no go area. It's not happening anymore, because while doing it this morning on my lifestyle channel, YouTube literally blocked me from applying. It's actually very, very funny. Now, what's really changed or what happened? I'm going to be breaking it down for you so that you can be able to understand much better. In 2023, that is about 2 years ago, YouTube introduced a new system whereby creators can be accessed to this fan funding features, just like your super chat, super thank you, and even membership, like as I mentioned earlier on. And this is available to people that have gotten up to with the early monetization, which is getting your 3,000 public watch hours and over 1,000 subscribers. Then you can be able to access this feature. Now after accessing it, you still need to work further to hit the 4,000 so that you can be able to start earning directly from your video, that is the ads they placed on your video. Because if you don't get to, if you don't get up to your 4,000 watch hours, you're not going to be earning from your video. Yeah, that is just how it used to be, and that was how I was able to monetize this channel you all are watching me from. But right now in 2025, YouTube has actually made it so clear. Now the new rule is that you must hit your 4,000 public watch hours in less than 12 months, or even 10 million short views in 90 days. Yes, if you want to pursue getting monetized through shorts, you have to get your up to over 1,000 subscribers. Then you need to meet your 10 million views in 90 days. If it exceeds 90 days, I don't know if YouTube is going to deduct it or you have to start all over again. If you know more, you can drop it in the comment section. So yes, the harsh truth is that your 3,000 public watch hours is no longer enough. Had it been I didn't try doing it this morning, or maybe I've not gotten to this extent, and somebody walks up to me to tell me that princess is not working, I wouldn't have believed it, because I literally monetized through this particular process. Yes, and also before now, it's not even all the country that is eligible. There are some countries like Ghana and a lot of other countries that can't even make use of this particular procedure, because there was a creator here that last year that we got monetized same period, that is we hit the 3,000 public watch hour same period. I was able to process mine, but him, he was not able. So when we checked, we discovered that a lot of countries are not eligible, but that is even in the past, because right now, whether eligible country or not, the 3,000 public watch hours for monetization is no longer working. So what you have to do, you just have to thrive harder, work harder, so that you can be able to hit the main 4,000 and monetize your channel. So now, if you're out there, that is, even if you hit that 3,000 public watch hours or 3,200 watch hours, and you see that message that you can start your earning journey, and maybe you're trying to click on something or looking for email and you didn't get it, you don't have to like maybe start feeling bad or feeling that what is going on, am I is my channel on strike or maybe anything like that. You don't have to panic, okay? That is just the new update. So what do you just need to do? There are some things that you can even do to fasten your monetization. That is, if you've gotten your 3,000 or maybe you've just hit your 2,000 or even 1,000 watch hours, this particular thing that I'm about to share you can help you fasten your game, can help you hit that monetization really, really fast, because I actually applied some of them. So try your best to pay attention. Number one thing you need to try to do is try your best to post longer videos that are like from 8 to 15 minutes. Like if you are into vlogs, try to level up the game, make it longer. If it is tutorial, make it longer. If it is story time, make it longer. Because one thing is, you may never know a video that will do so well. I was watching a small channel here. She had a video that is 4 minutes, and that video has gotten her 80,000 views. But that same video was not able to give her up to 2,000 watch hours. Imagine that video was like 8 minutes long. Imagine it was 12 minutes long. That would have been double the watch hour. So sometimes this whole YouTube thing is all about wisdom, like wisdom of here. Okay, now the next thing you can do is you can go over to your YouTube studio dashboard. Now find those videos that have your highest watch time, those videos that leveled up your watch hour. Now what you need to do is to try your best to push it again. Yeah, try to use them as your playlist. When creating your playlist, try to use it as your end screen and YouTube card, because you know, using a particular video for end screen, YouTube card and playlist tend to increase the viewership, yeah, tend to increase the views, the watch time and the rest, so that that particular video can keep generating you more and more watch hours. Now, another thing you can also do is to try your best to go live once or twice in a week. It's actually going to help boost your watch hours. Yes, going live is really, really going to help you. Even if it's like 30 minutes, even if it's like 1 hour, it's going to help you. But to be honest, try going live for like 2 hours and you come back to 10% chamaka later. All these things, they're actually working. I have tested them. If you're looking for somebody that have done live streaming on this app, they should count me as number one. On this my main channel, forget that I have put a lot of videos on private because of copyright, because I did a lot of mistakes back then. Okay. Now, the next thing you need to do is, I wouldn't really advise setting up AdSense before you hit that 4,000. But I hear a lot of creators will tell you set up AdSense before. So for that one, I really honestly don't know, because what I did was I waited till I hit that 4,000 before I started setting mine. But if you can, good and fine. But if you cannot, just wait, I beg, till you get that 4,000 and you see that you can start earning or apply, then go ahead and set it up, okay? So another thing you need to understand is just use my mistake to learn. Though there's no any mistake there. I was just so happy and thinking that today I'm giving you guys video. I finally monetized, but YouTube humbled me. But it's actually beautiful anyways, because right now I am passing the information to you right now, because I know that I've done videos telling you you can get monetized in 3,000 watch hours. It's no longer happening. It's all in the past now. So, but do not see this as a bad news or you start feeling so bad, because even if you hit the 3,000, you cannot earn from your video. So it's almost the same thing, okay? So if you reach your 3,000 watch hour, just find something that you do fast to get the numbers higher and finally get monetized, okay? And yes, if you find this video helpful, most importantly, do not forget to like, drop me your comment and share this video so that it can get to a lot of small channels out there who don't even know that this update is out. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be getting premium updates back to back, and also tips to help you grow and monetize your YouTube channel. I remain your favorite tutor, Princess Chiamaka, and of course, yes, I'll see you all in my next video. If you have any question, go down to the comments and drop your question and I'll be attending to you. Okay, so bye for now till I see you.